Okay, good afternoon, everybody. How you can see that Dodge project, completely turned direction. So I would like to introduce the first was the first dream about this truck, supposed to be automatic, but there was something happened, and the star sees another star, and we got another project because we got a 3 pedals. So a bunch of crops. So this thing's turned to be manual, and we still have we still keeping the 4x4 option, and plus it's gonna be 5-speed. Ding ding. Why not? So this is gonna be another video, and meanwhile I'm just working with the AC condenser and heat, because over 100,000 these things fail no matter what. And by the way, everybody thinks when you're driving, and what stinks and these Dodges, that's a firewall from inside, not from outside. That's your firewall from inside. Probably, Chinese guy make mistake again, and our rubber has a different burning temperature. So yeah, we're just gonna leave it like that, leave it alone, whatever, and put this whole heater core and whatever back to it. And it's gonna be another video about electrical problems and yada yada yada. So see ya. Woohoo!